Have you ever contemplated the depth of your inner strength, the resilience that lies dormant within you, waiting for the storm to awaken it? What if I told you that the strength within you is greater than the storms around you? Intriguing, isn't it? Let's dive into a remarkable story that illustrates this principle beautifully. Picture a woman named Amelia. Amelia, a single mother of 3, living in a small town, working 2 jobs just to keep food on the table. Life was tough, but Amelia was tougher. One day, Amelia lost her main job, and the storm clouds began to gather. Many would have crumbled, but not Amelia. She saw this as an opportunity, a chance to awaken her inner strength. She started a small baking business from her kitchen using her grandmother's recipes. Through sleepless nights and grueling days, she baked, she sold, she persevered. The business didn't take off immediately, and there were times when Amelia doubted herself, but she never gave up. She chose to navigate through the storm, trusting in her resilience, and her hard work paid off. Today, Amelia owns a successful bakery, employing others from her small town, providing for her family, and standing as a beacon of resilience. Amelia's story is a testament to the power of inner strength. Even in the face of adversity, she stood strong, weathered the storm, and emerged victorious. Her resilience didn't just get her through the storm, it made her stronger, better equipped to face future challenges. So as we navigate our way through life's storms, remember Amelia. Remember that the strength within you is greater than the storm around you. Trust in your inner resilience, just as Amelia did. Remember, calm seas never made a skilled sailor. You are stronger than you think. In summary, we've delved into the concept of inner strength and resilience, using Amelia's inspiring story as a guiding light. We've seen that inner strength can be dormant, waiting to be awakened by adversity. We've seen that resilience can guide us through the storm, and not only get us through, but make us stronger. So the next time you face adversity, remember Amelia. Remember the strength within you. Trust in your resilience. You are stronger than you think. After all, a smooth sea never made a skilled sailor. Navigate through the storm, and you'll emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the power of inner strength and resilience. Remember, you are stronger than you think. Navigate through the storm and emerge victorious. Until next time, stay resilient.